In a rare cultural collaboration, the British Museum has sent prized ancient artifacts to India, now on display at Mumbai's iconic National Museum. Now, the exchange marks a landmark moment for India's national ecosystem, positioning Mumbai as a global hub for ancient history and civilizational dialogue. We're going to leave you with this report, but don't go anywhere. More news and updates will follow on the other side. Stay tuned. You're watching Beyond World this one.
For the first time, Indian audiences are experiencing a globally curated gallery in Mumbai. Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya is showcasing how the ancient world was interlinked through trade, writing, religion, art and ideas. This 100-year-old museum has unveiled its new gallery, Networks of the Past, a study gallery of India and the ancient world. It was opened on December 12, 2025. The gallery features 300 carefully curated archaeological objects connecting ancient India with Egypt, Mesopotamia, Greece, Rome, Persia and China, alongside treasures from Indus Saraswati or Harappan civilization. The exhibition will remain on display for the next 3 years.
The largest percentage of visitors we get are actually school kids, and over the years, I think a lot of schools have been really opening up to the idea of museums being an important resource. So a lot of our curatorial work in the museum is actually keeping in mind what school and college requirements are.
The Mumbai Museum has received 80 rare artifacts on loan from the British Museum, including thousands-year-old objects from Greece and Egypt. Highlights include a 4,000-year-old wooden model of an Egyptian riverboat, a wooden sculpture of oxen ploughing farmland, and a stone wig from ancient Iraq worn by Sumerian rulers around 2500 BC. Roman-era pieces such as a mosaic and marble bust of Emperor Augustus are also on display. Visitors are drawn to an ancient incense burner and a rare cat mummy portrait from the 1st century, reflecting daily life, belief and rituals of the ancient world. The gallery also features important loans from Indian museums, including a seated Buddha from Patna and limestone sculptures from Amravati.
We have over 16 partners in this project, including many international museums and also many Indian museums. Indian museums have also lent for the first time to the CSMVS. The project is also endorsed by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, because it's one of the first initiatives where we are trying to highlight India's role in the ancient world.
From students to international tourists, visitors from across the world were seen engaging deeply with the gallery, discovering how civilizations connected long before the modern world took shape.
It is noted as one of the largest ever loan ancient material that is being sent to India, and first deal of its kind between the British Museum and the Mumbai Museum. The authorities here say that along with 16 partners from all over the world, they will continue to highlight and showcase India's role and India's contribution to the ancient world. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha for Beyond World is One.